Welcome back to M.U.D episode 5, and today I'm going to share the second half of Lingering Hues. But first I just want to do some quick dice game recommendations that I think go above and beyond normal dice games. And I'll just show them to you quick. One is Airships, Roll Through the Ages by the creator of Pandemic, Cube Quest by Game Right Games, Seasons, and two others which I don't have boxes for, which is Tumbling Dice, and also a print and play game called Chunky Fighters. Okay, so let's get right into this. As before, the first half of the video, I mentioned I was going to show you the secret special abilities you have, which are listed on top of the character cards here. And they're activated when you play your own card. For example, Abner happened to have one in his hand and two cards. And if you play that card, you activate your special ability. His is giving each player 2 health points. So when you want to activate your special ability, you can either use it right away, or you can turn your card sideways, keeping the health points you're currently at. Right now he's at 12. And then when you want to use it, turn it back the way it was. Same with Hazel Ponies, which is, her special ability is ignore 1 die after an encounter. Also, I mentioned that if you play an enemy that's out, for example, if Lamech is out, and Abner also has Lamech, and you play that card on your turn, you can place it on top of the character, and it won't move the next turn. So, if you're playing with both characters, Hazel Pony went next. On her turn, she would simply remove the card you played, put it in the discard pile, and leave it there, but everything else will move. One will come out, and any others out will move to the left. And finally, the third thing, which I said I mentioned, is the trait abilities. Both characters have trait numbers on the bottom, and you can make up your own traits using the letters linger. For example, his number 3 could be luck, and so on. But you compare them to the enemies that are out. If any are the same number, you get to reroll 1 die for each number the same. Or in this case, some numbers ask you to be higher. For example, the mech asks you for this trait, it must be above 4, so you must have a 5 or 6. He happens to have a 5 here, so that would count as 1 more reroll die. This one says less than 6, so he would also count there as a 1 is less than 6. So if it doesn't have a plus or minus sign, it means it has to be the exact same number. And any other things you can refer to in the rules, like I said, you can get the print and play on Board Game Geek. And that's all I have for today. This will be the last video for a while until I can get someone to help video these in a better lit area. So I apologize for that. But for now, I just wanted to show you most of the videos are in this felt mat, and this is actually the measured out playing area for Disc Wars, in case anybody was wondering what that field looked like. Another pretty good dice game. So thanks for checking in to my unpublished diary.